Carry out.
We carry out maintenance on the machinery regularly.
She carries out experiments in her laboratory every week.
Yesterday, we carried out a thorough investigation to uncover the truth.
The construction company will carry out the renovation of the historic building. If we had more resources, we would carry out a study on the environmental impact.
The construction crew is carrying out repairs on the bridge to ensure its safety.
They have carried out a thorough investigation into the accident.
She had carried out the experiment before the professor arrived to observe.
The organization has been carrying out charitable activities in the community.